Hello, welcome back to Cambridge O-Level YouTube channel. Last day we discussed about dichotomous case. So what is this dichotomous case? Can you remember? It is a scientific tool that is used to identify organisms or objects by using between pairs of opposing characteristics. So basically, we use these dichotomous keys to identify and classify organisms. That day, we discussed about spider keys related to plants. So today, we are going to talk about spider keys related to animals. Here, I have an example. We'll go to that first. I have given you some animals: butterfly, sea anemone, earthworm, owl and bat. So there are 5 animals here. As we did in last day, it means we did these types of examples for plants. In that case also, we took 2 opposite characteristics of organisms. In here also, likewise, we are doing the same method. First of all, in here, I'm going to write, if you consider here, you can take having wings. If you think about butterfly and bat, they have wings. And also owl have wings. Sea anemone, what is the special characteristic of sea anemone? They cannot move actually. If you memorize about sea anemone, they are staying in a one place. They cannot move. They cannot move. They are fixed into a substrate and stay. So I will be picking about characteristic. Can't move. Yeah, I will be taking can't move. So what is the animal? Animal is sea anemone. Here I am taking can move. The rest of the animals will be there. Means butterfly, then earthworm, owl, all the other 4 animals can move. Then I am taking another characteristic. What is the characteristic that I am taking? Just have a look. I am taking can't fly, can fly. Or you can take that having wings or don't have wings. I will take that. Here we are going to talk about the characteristics, no? So I think that is better to write. Have wings. Sorry, in here we have write haven't wings. Have. So who are the animals that don't have wings? That is earthworm. Do we need to write sea anemone again here? No. Actually, in here we already wrote it. So because of that reason, we no need to consider about sea anemone again and again. Don't have wings will be butterfly, then owl and earthworm. Okay. Here there are 3 animals. So again you have to divide. What are the things that you are going to consider? Have a look. Butterfly, owl, bat. What is the thing that you are going to consider? I'm taking having beak and don't have beak. Taking don't have beak and here having beak. Having beak will be what? That is owl. Don't have beak will be butterfly, butterfly, and bat. If you think about this butterfly and bat, if you think about butterfly, they have more than 2 legs. Bat will be having only 2 legs. Other most important thing, butterfly have 4 wings and bat have 2 wings. Actually, in previous characteristics in here, we talked about the wings. So we can take that legs. In here, we didn't mention about the legs. Or else, there are some other most important things. Bat has ears, just like us. As bats are mammals, they have ears. But butterflies, do they have ears? No, they don't have ears. So I am writing that characteristics. Having ear, having ears, and here don't have ears. Don't have ears will be butterfly. And have ears will be bat. Bat. So this is the way that we are completing our dichotomous case spider. So take a look at butterfly, sea anemone, earthworm, and owl. Owl and bat. Right? Then as the first characteristic I took can move and can't move. After that, having wings, don't have wings. Then have beak, don't have beak. And having ears and don't have ears. That is the way. If you go through this one, can you see I have taken the opposite characteristic. Can move, can't move. Have wings, don't have wings. Have beak, don't have beak. Have ears, don't have ears. I will take another example here. Crab, wasp, snail, slug, and bat. Those are the animals that I have taken. Now we are going to divide this. I'm dividing this as having slimy body. Slimy body means moisture. In their body, they have moisture or wet body. Who are the animals that are having a kind of wet body? What are they? Snail and slug. Here, the opposite characteristic, or we can mention have a slimy body or don't have a slimy body. Who are the animals? Crab, wasp, and here, as there are 2 organisms, I will be dividing this one again, snail and slug. If we compare snail and slug, what are the 2 differences between what are the differences? There are lots of differences, but when you are seeing them, there is a special difference between snail and slug. What is that? Snail have a shell. You can write have a shell, and here don't have shell. Having shell will be snail. Don't have shell will be slug. Again, here there are three organisms, so you have to divide it again. We are going to divide crab, bats, and bat. I'm taking have wings and don't have wings. Am I correct? Yes. Have wings will be bat and bat. Don't have wings will be crab. Okay, but here, yeah, we have to take it to here. How we are going to divide this one? Bat and bats. As in previous example also we had bat. So we can take the same characteristic, having ears and don't have ears. Or else we can mention having fur and don't have fur. If you think about bat, as it is a mammal, their body is covered by fur. Like us and cats and dogs, you know the meaning of fur. It means they have a hairy body.